With Iran, we have very strong relationship. We have, our bonds are of culture, religion, civilization. And look, you have to understand that we have a border with Iran which is long and not always manned. Um, as you would see from the meeting yesterday between IGFC and his Iranian counterpart in Tehran, there's desire on both sides to find a solution to remove this problem, to better monitor the movement, to better manage the border. That desire is there on both sides. And the conversation that took place yesterday, and the conversations that we are going to have next week when the Foreign Secretary's counterpart visits Pakistan for bilateral consultations, which were scheduled earlier, um, indicate the desire and commitment of both countries to resolve these minor irritants and strengthen this relationship and partnership.